Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this one we got quite a rare one actually. Got the new Abarth in for a new car protection package. This customer's opted for ceramic coat, interior coatings and a glass coating. So last night the car was washed, deconned, clayed and then obviously brought into inspection. So I'll show you a couple of things I've picked up on. Bear in mind it's brand new. So we got the deeper marks here and there. Skirting is quite battered already. We have a lot of marks down here, like a swipe. No idea what went on there. Again, skirting. And then on the bonnet we have a D-nib, if I do remember, you'll be able to see it. It's from factory. Something's gone on with it, so they sanded it and then we've cut it all out, but it's all the way across. They just haven't refined. This bumper is an interesting one because it's by here. Pretty neat. And by here it's off. It's out quite a bit. And it's absolutely covered in sanding marks and stuff. A lot of marks in this. Again, another sanding mark on the little light. So, watery marks everywhere. Some, I don't know what to say about this bumper. It's just a lot of marks, sanding marks everywhere. Strange markings on the bumper up there, little dots. So yeah, sanding marks everywhere on the front bumper. There's also sanding marks on the door by here. Heavy cutting going on. Brand new car, like bonkers. Again, another same swipe on the other side, which is weird. Brand new. Brand new. The rest of it is just the odd marks here and there. But what I'll do now, I'll put you down. I'll do a test on the bonnet to see what works. So I haven't worked on this car before, obviously, and apparently it's only 300 in the UK at the minute. So this could be one of the first on YouTube. Would be nice. So we'll put you down and we get polishing. now coated tonight, ready for curing, and then because he's obviously picking it up tomorrow, so everything's curing now. So tomorrow is just the odd finish off the wheel, tyres, interior detail, I know, glass, and then she's good to go in. So I will see you in the morning. So that is the Abarth, all completed, coated, protected, brand new, straight from Abarth pretty much, only 2,000 miles, but what a job. There was isolated areas that I had to cut from factory, sanding marks, denibbing stuff, but that's all come out nice. Colour's insane, like, I think it's electric blue. So, I don't know if I mentioned as well, everyone will get a topper spray and obviously a guide, part of the process. So just to recap where it's at. So ceramic coating, 2-3 year coating on the bodywork, view obviously on the glass coating, leather coating on the whole interior and the bit of the carpets, and then fabric coating. So yeah, it's pretty much at the full sweep minus the wheels, but yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe. There will be more coming because I am getting busier. So yeah, we will see you on the next one.